Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript arrow function. Arrow functions were introduced in ECMAScript 6 and arrow functions allow us to write shorter function syntax. Let me give you an example. Let's come in here and type script, and within a script tag I'm gonna type in here function, and the name would be say hello, and it will also receive two parameters, say t1 t2, and in the next line I'm gonna return t1 space and t2. That'll do. And now I'm gonna call this function inside log, say hello parenthesis, and I'm gonna pass in here hello comma world, and hit save, and we get this output from this function, hello world. Now instead of writing 1, 2, 3 lines, what we can do here is say I'm gonna comment out all of these lines of code, and let's come to the next line and type in here arrow function, and I'm gonna comment this out, and let's come to the next line and say var say hello equals parenthesis fat arrow and curly braces. Now it will also receive t1 comma t2, and then it's gonna return t1 space t2 semicolon. Now I'm gonna call this function again, log, and say hello parenthesis, I'm gonna pass in here hello comma world under quotes, hit save, and we get the same results. But what we can do here instead, since we have only one line, we don't have this word function, we have removed it, and as well as since we have only one statement, what we can do here, just cut it from here, and we also don't need these curly braces, and we can paste our code here, and we can also remove, that's why it shows an error, we can also remove this word return. So if we hit save, we get the same result. So instead of all of these lines, we can do the same thing with this. So this is a arrow function, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.